So this video is about why to use diode across these type of solenoids or any type of relay you're using in the circuitry. If something is messing with your circuitry and electronics are working funny, maybe this is the cause, and I'll show you what I mean. So now we have two leads that provides 24 volts to the solenoid, and I've hooked up the oscilloscope to see what's going on in the circuitry. Look at this. When I try to switch on the device and switch off, it backfires the voltage. This happens because the 24 volts that I'm providing on the coil induces the electromagnetic field in the coil, and when it produces electromagnetic field to the solenoid after, when I switch it off, electricity, it backfires electromagnetic field to the coil, and it induces the voltage. Sometimes these voltage spikes are getting even higher. So now one section here, one square, is 50 volts, and imagine how high is it going right now. It goes up to 100 volts or 200 volts, and these voltage spikes sometimes cause a lot of headache in electronics, and I totally suggest you to use this type of diodes or maybe any type of snapper diode or any type of diode that can handle some type of power from the electronics department, maybe, or you can get anywhere you want this type of diodes, and install it reverse to the circuitry. So if this side, the line here, is the minus side and this side is the plus side, if you connect like that, probably you will burn this so you have to reverse. So this side, the minus side, goes on the plus, and the plus side goes on the minus. So when the voltage will be reversed, it will take all that voltage and all that current through on the diode, and it will consume all that extra power that is generated from the solenoid. So now I'll hook this up and show you what it does. So this is the same circuitry with diode installed over here. Come on. So now let's see what it does. As you can see, solenoid doesn't backfire anymore, and voltage spikes are looking good. And this is what how the electronic circuitry should look like. Electronics. So if the voltages are spiking up and down, it will generate a lot of electromagnetic field, which might cause some issues with, maybe if you're using some microcontrollers or some DIY projects. So most of the high-end electronics PLCs have protection, but sometimes it might generate some noise and some problem with the sensors, microelectronics and stuff like that. So I totally suggest using diodes on the pneumatic actuators. It can be any type of solenoid, or on relays also. Basically it's pretty much the same. If I hooked it up on the oscilloscope, it will show the same thing on relays also. And as I found out, as lower the quality of the relay, the more spikes it shows. So maybe leave some comments below if you have any other better suggestions on how to solve this type of issues. Thank you for watching. See you later.